There is a reason why the phrase data is the new fuel has been added to the millennial dictionary. How this generation has come up to a point when everybody speaks of nothing but data and aspires to be a data scientist. Let me tell you why. Statistics claim that 2.5 million terabytes of data is generated every single day from 6 billion devices. Glassdoor said a data scientist is the #1 job on its website. It is analyzed that the demand for a data scientist is set to increase by 28% in 2021 alone. The job of a data scientist is ranked amongst the top emerging jobs on LinkedIn. By 2025, the data science analytics sector in India is estimated to grow 8-fold, reaching 16 billion. Did you know a data scientist earns more than an average IT employee? The day you realize data is your cup of tea, you are going to achieve it. Step into our Geek Learn's Data Science Architect program and give your career the right start. With this program, you will
gain 1.5 years of real-time sponsored research experience certificate valid globally.
Earn a guaranteed scholarship up to 2 lakh. From day one, you start working as a junior data science research associate in our recognized research centers. Attend 320 plus hours of live sessions mentored by senior data scientists. Get certified by top MNCs like Google and Microsoft. And all these features come with a money-back guarantee if you are not placed. This course provides you with an opportunity to fit into many job roles like data analyst, business intelligence analyst, business analyst, data engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, data science architect, data science project manager. It does not matter if you are from a non-IT background or an IT professional. This program is designed exclusively for you. Let me take you through the stages of this program. During the first 6 months, the student will be attending live interactive sessions from top industry experts having more than 10 years of experience, thus making you 360-degree skillable. You will get the privilege to take up certification exams from top MNCs like Google, Microsoft, Harvard, thus adding essence to your profile. From the onset of the 7th month, we will start making you employment ready by involving you in sponsored research projects where you can earn a scholarship up to 2 lakh along with project experience certificate. The 10th month onwards, Geek Learn HR team will get you into recruitment process and make you avail with countless number of job opportunities based on your profile. Isn't it something you are always looking for? Grab this opportunity and upscale your career. To enroll, click on the link and get started with the Data Science Architect program today.